Hi, I'm Kate with Snakeover Farms. Today we're going to make surf and turf.
Today, we're making a classic surf and turf. We'll start with the lobster tails. Using kitchen shears, cut through the top of the shell and gently pull the meat up and over so it sits on top. This helps it cook evenly and gives that beautiful presentation. Season simply with salt, pepper, and a little butter. Set them aside while we move to the steaks. For the turf, we're using Filet Mignon. Season both sides generously with salt and pepper. Heat a heavy pan for the steaks. Once the pan is hot, add a high heat oil and let them sear undisturbed to build that deep, flavorful crust. Get the lobster into a hot oven to broil while those sear. Blanch the green beans in well-salted boiling water until they're just tender but still vibrant, at which point put them in an ice bath. Back to the steaks. Flip them, add butter to the pan, and baste. Spooning that hot butter over the top boosts flavor and helps them cook evenly. Once they're done, let them rest so the juice stays locked in. The green beans finish in the same pan, picking up all those savory flavors. Just add butter, thinly sliced garlic, and salt and pepper. About when those are done, the lobster should be finishing up cooking. In that same pan, we build a quick lemon cream sauce using butter, a minced shallot, salt, pepper, lemon zest, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Once removed from heat, stir in 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Plate it up and you've got a restaurant-level surf and turf right at home.